one last thing I would like to know, like, see, before and after,
Yeah.
there's a lot of things, like everything people want to know that this is what I was before
Yeah.
and this is how I am now. So it's like, what happens before and after attunement? What difference would I feel in myself? Like,
Yeah. So, see, the main difference is that before attunement, so if you're not learned Reiki, you just place your hands like this, just place them on your knees and see what happens. So, technically, nothing happens. Now,
mm-hmm.
after attunement, the moment you place your hands like this at this particular distance, or even more, then you'll start feeling something flowing out of your hands, some energy kind of feeling, something which is very tingling kind of sensation it has, and in your knees it is flowing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that is the major difference. You can literally start feeling the energy flowing out of your hands. So the moment you place your hand on your body, or if I just hold your hand, you'll be able to, or just even keep it at a distance, not even hold it, and
Mm-hmm.
you'll still be able to feel something. अभी ऐसे भी नहीं है कि ये प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट है क्या, क्योंकि प्राची ने मुझे बोला है इसलिए मुझे
No,
फील हो रहा है.
no,
आई कैन
nothing like
जस्ट
that. Please believe me.
ऐसे भी नहीं है.
No,
So
but I have felt that there has been a lot of increase in my psychic abilities also. I can
yeah,
sense people's
yeah,
energies. Like earlier on, I used to go enter a room and I used to feel okay, fine. Everybody seems to be happy. But now these days, when I'm entering a room or I'm standing next to a person, so I get a different kind of a feel from those people. No? For example, they're very sad or they're very. I mean, I can judge that feeling. So psychic abilities have taken a big jump, I would say,
hmm.
that way. So is this psychic ability seen as intuition or like what third eye opening? There's so
Yeah,
much that people talk about. Like, what
yeah.
would you like to say about that?
So see, what happens because of Reiki is that your chakras are getting healed, their
Mm-hmm.
strength is increasing, they are becoming active. So the moment you start working on your third eye chakra is for your intuition, clarity, and memory. So the moment you work more and more on this, what happens is that you're going to be more intuitive. So you'll be able to feel people's energy.
Yeah.
Sometimes you are even able to see what is happening. So some people can literally see the color of aura.
Mm-hmm.
Now some people can feel it. Even I feel it.
Mm-hmm.
Some people can hear something. So different people have different abilities which get developed because of your third eye chakra being healed and being activated.
So I guess attunement
Yeah.
helps with that also.
So attunement helps with that also because it's cleansing those chakras, it's opening them. So you become a bigger vessel to carry life force energy.
You're talking so much about the chakras. I'm really getting intuitive about that. Do you think that you have a sub book or something that we can read
Yeah.
on?
Yeah.
I know you've written a couple of books, like so. Would you like to just tell quickly
Yeah,
about
yeah,
those
yeah.
books?
So I'll share the link in the description box for you, for everyone to read. It's a tiny book actually, and you can on the go learn about all the chakras and how you can use the power of chakras for your health, wealth, and relationships.